Good morning, students. Hope you are all fine. How about your parents? I believe they are also fine. Now, in this class, we are going to see about voices. You know, voices, everybody may be knowing better than many. Now, listen to me carefully. Voice has two kinds. One is active, another is passive. Active, what we happen to speak ordinarily. Say, for example, I take a book, I take the chalk piece, I take the chalk piece. The chalk piece is taken by me. The action is done by someone else. Is known to be passive. The doer is directly doing the work is called to be active. Passive, the action will be done by doer. That's the thing. Now straight away we'll go to the matter. I hope all of us know very well about all tenses. There are 12 tenses. If you had known tenses very clearly, you can easily attend the voice. You know, we have got 2 marks in public examination. For that, we'll have to work hard like anything. Anyhow, keep it in our mind. Active. See, let us see right from the simple present tense. I eat a mango. Separate. Subject, verb, object. I, subject, eat, verb. A mango is an object. When we want to change into passive, what we'll have to do? What we will have to do? Verb will have to come. See, listen carefully. Object will become in the place of subject. So object becomes subject here. So object am is are plus past participle form of the verb form 3, then by, then subject. You know, object starts from here in passive. A mango, what is the third person singular? If it is mangoes, or in the place of mango, if it comes I, then am is applied. So a mango is. You understand the thing? If it is mangoes, mangoes are. So like mango is, eat is the verb. Past participle form of the verb. Eat, ate, eaten. Third, verb form third. Eaten by me. I eat a mango is eaten by me. Now, let's go to the present continuous tense. Raji is taking her book. See, in present continuous tense, we have the rule like this. Am is are plus verb form of ing form or ing form of the verb. Likewise, Raji is taking her book. So, what will come here? Her book. Her book is nothing but Raji's book. Object. Book, it seems, say, am is used for I, is used for third person singular, or is used for third person plural. Being shows continuous form, past participle form of the verb, and then by, and then object, and then subject. Now, listen carefully. So, her book, Raji's book, book is in singular. Suppose books, or we can use. If in case there is I, am is used. So Raji's book is taken, past participle form of the verb is adopted here, taken by her. Clear? I believe you understand me again. Sorry to come to say that this third standard syllabus, I think so. You have been studying from third standard onwards. We have got so many things to see. Kindly listen me properly. Present perfect. Raja, in case if it is a third, if it is other uh, person, say for example, I, we, you, they, then it will come here how. Where it is, Raja is third person singular. That's why we happen to use has. Raja has created a new book. Here, object, a new book. Object, a new book. Verb, has created, will become, has been created. How? New boat, a new boat has been created. No, you understand here? This is the form has to be used. Been is the passive form, is used again, past participle form, and then by, and then Raja. Now, let's go to the next tense, present perfect continuous time. In present perfect, see, kindly listen me properly. There are four tenses which you can't change into passive. Rather, one more thing is there. All transitive verbs can be changed into passive form, whereas intransitive verbs which do not take direct object cannot be changed into passive form. Say for an example, I go home. Home is home is gone by me. I walk in the road. The road is walked by me. I run in the playground. The playground is being run by. It's not possible. Could you listen me properly and could you get me what I am speaking to you? Okay, this is the case. Now, present perfect continuous doesn't have passive voice, whereas all perfect continuous, see for example, present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous, future perfect continuous, and one more is future continuous. These four tenses have no passive voice. Could you keep in your mind? Now we are going to say about past tenses. Listen me carefully. I played football match. It represents simple past tense. How it has to be changed? Football match was played by me. Football match was played by me. You understand? Football match. Was is used for third person singular. He, she, it. Where is used for we, you, they. Past participle form of the verb forms passive voice. So by is added to indicate by whom it is done. I becomes me. See, mostly in active voice and passive voice, subject will become object like this. No, its pronoun changes. I will become me, we will become us, you will be the same, but meaning is different. When you go there, there it is subject. The work is done by you. It takes the form of object. There is also you, but it takes the form of object. He will become him, she will become her, it will become it, but meaning is changes. Meaning is different. Its meaning is different. They will become them. Say for example, for it transfers. The work is done by it. That is dog. Say for example. So the meaning changes. Now, let's come to past continuous. The teacher was teaching the lesson. You know, it is past continuous because it represents was and ing form. Was or were, and then ing form of the verb. It represents past continuous tense. Now, when it is to be changed, the object should come as a subject. Lesson was, for third person, if it is lessons, it will become were. So lesson was being is added for continuous. Taught is the past participle form of the verb, and then by, and then object. This object will become there is a subject that will become object here. That is, here it is subject. Okay. Okay, now let's go to past perfect tense. They had done the job well. They had done the job well. Subject, verb, and then object. Then object will become here subject. The job. What is the rule form? Had. Been is for passive. Then past participle form. One more thing has to be added here. Past participle form. Past participle form of verb. Then by, then plus subject. So, here, the job had been, past participle form is done. Do, did, done. A verb form has got many different forms. Say for an example, do, did, done, doing, to do, shall, will do, does. It has got around 7 forms. Doesn't matter. On the way, that you will have to know about clearly. The job had been done by what is the subject? They. Then it will become like them. Regarding perfect continuous, what is that? Past perfect continuous has no passive voice. Just to know about the tense, we had been drinking cups of tea or many cups of tea. What it may be? This can be your changes. Now, let's speak about future tenses. We have studied present tense completely, past tense also completely, the changes, how it was occurring in passive or passive form. Now we are going to learn about future. Let's see about. Yes, now let us proceed with simple future. I will do great things. Just have the change like this. Object, what is object? Great things. I will become object there. Great things will become subject here. Will do will become or will be changed into passive form. So great things will be past participle form, past participle form of the verb. Done. There is do, did, done. Will be done by me. I will become me. Okay, now let's see about future continuous. For future continuous we don't have any passive. It cannot be changed into passive. The same. Future perfect continuous also cannot be changed into passive. Now, for tense case I have written like this. We will have been entering into college next year. Sure. Definitely will be entering into college next year, I believe. Not only that, very great things we will be doing. Now, future perfect. The manager will have conducted the meeting. Separate subject, verb, and then object. Object will become subject here, the meeting. Will have. Been is exhibited for passive form. So been plus past participle form is already there. So we can use straight away conducted by the manager. Subject is there. Subject will become here object. Now, okay. For future perfect continuous, we had already known there is no passive voice. Okay. Thank you for listening me completely. Again, we are going to see some new models. Okay, now let's see the other models also. Now, there are some doubts within ourselves we may have. Sometimes the voices have been asked like this also. Say for an example, post a letter. When the sentence starts with a verb, how to change into passive? See, let us use the let's usage. Let, L-E-T. Let's usage. It's very easy to change. You understand? Post the letter. When you say post the letter, there is a subject, you. What is you? It is a hidden subject. It is a hidden subject. So let us understand that you is a subject hidden. Let us think it ourselves. Let's try to change. Let, next, the object, let the letter show in passive form. That post is a present form. Be post. Let the letter be posted. Posted. Let the letter be posted. Past participle form. Let the letter be posted by you. This is the correct sense of writing into passive. Post the letter. Read the newspaper. Let the newspaper be read by you. Could you kindly understand me? When we start with a verb, say for an example, listen me properly. What is that? You all listen me properly. When the sentence is starting with the verb, it always refers to you. There is a hidden subject, you. Yes, please. You can understand, I believe. Yes. Now let's see interrogative model. You know, this is called to be interrogative model. Who are you searching? Whom are you searching? Now, how can it be changed? That interrogative should not be changed. The same sense. You separate the verb. Are you? Whom are you searching? Here, one more has to come. Present continuous, so that here it has to be added. Are you being searched? Are you being searched by whom? Let us think ourselves. Someone is searching me. The question is, whom are you searching? Someone else is asking you, whom are you searching? So, in passive form, that you are searched by whom? The same question, are you being searched by whom? You can easily understand, I believe so. If at all, if you don't understand me, can ring me and ask me. I'll still make you in detailed, make it very clear in detailed manner. Don't worry about it. Now, let's come to the third one. When two sentences or two objects are being taking place, what will happen is I had met my uncle and conveyed the message. I had met my uncle and conveyed the message. So how it can be changed? First one, let's change. It comes under past perfect. So my uncle will become here subject. My uncle had been met. It shows the passive form been. Had been met by me. Another sentence is a message. The message conveyed is the past, simple past. So it can be changed into was plus past participle form or were plus. Here it is a message, third person singular. So the message was. If it is messages, so the messages were. It is not here as the messages. Now it is a message. Message was conveyed by me. Now there. My father gave me a book. See, here we have seen two sentences are being joined. Here we find two objects are joined. How can we write? It's possible. It's quietly possible to write. Don't worry about it. My father gave me a book. We can use me as a subject one or a book as a subject another one. That's what we have done there. I was given, see, gave is the past form. Gave is the past form. So what is the rule for change of passive in past form, past tense? So subject, see, me will become I here. Whereas we have already seen I will become me. Me also will become I in passive voice. So me will become. There are two objects, no? Me and a book. So if we take first one, me, it will become I. So when we are taking I, gave was the verb. So gave, past tense. So was or were plus past participle form. So I was, past participle form of the verb gave, given. I was given a book. Book. I was given a book by my father. One way of writing. Another way, a book, there it looks object. Here it has to come as subject. A book, again, that person singular book. In case if there are books, where has to be applied. So a book was given past participle form of the verb, past participle form of the verb, and then by my father to me. Yes, I do agree with you that by God's grace you have completely known about what is active, what is passive. We can be much assured of 2 marks in public, and kindly put some effort to learn about active and passive. It's very easiest way of learning. It's very easiest one of the grammars to learn also. Kindly use more time in studies. I hope you will definitely perfectly do well. And most of you, I think most of you have started sincerely studying well, I think so. Anyhow, God is seeing all of us. Kind regards to everyone. Hope to meet very soon in our school premises. Yeah, please use a complete time in your studies. I beg and request. Because no more time should be wasted by you. We don't have the sufficient time to look after all the things because so many days have passed. Even the term, first term is going to end, more or less. Kindly concentrate on your lessons. I beg and request, never admit to see any sort of media. Waste your time, please. Kindly obey your parents. I've heard many of your parents reporting me and saying me that their children are not obeying them. I beg you to obey them as well. Kindly spend the time in studies. Have you got the books? And from the books only I've asked the question, I've set the questions. The questions will follow as a homework, even as a classwork. Please kindly carry out. Do it well. Wish you all success. Thank you. Bye.